So I have been working on something behind the scenes for probably 2 or 2.5 months. It's not quite ready, but there is a chance that this is let out into the wild in the next 48 hours or so. And that is going to be basically a brand new one rental at a time website. Obviously, one rental at a time is something I care about deeply. I care about the community. And the current one rental at a time website is frankly not up to my standards. It is something that was created by a friend. Shout out Eric, thank you for doing that. But it also was done on the cheap, and it was time for me to acknowledge and really think different. So I want to show you the current version of the website. Again, this is basically the format of it, just to get your feedback, your thoughts. There will be some changes obviously as we move forward. But again, I wanted you to see how I envision this and just bring you along in my journey. So let's share with you the current version. So when you go to the website now, I guess I can stay here. Let's go over here. So again, this should be what you see on the website, really an 8-course grid. I may have the font sizes changed it ever so slightly. You will see there's some stuff below. There's the basic story, some pictures of my family, throughout. There'll be the latest 6 videos from YouTube right there on the homepage. There will be some articles that I was featured in. One rental at a time has been on Fortune, Forbes, Business Insider, Yahoo Finance, Bigger Pockets. If you want, you'll be able to check out those links. You will have some, shorts here as well from Instagram. So you have my YouTube and Instagram posts right there. And if you want to contact me, there it is. There's my hub address there for you as well. So again, that's just the homepage, but the meat of this website is these 8 pictures. So we're just going to go left to right, top to bottom. So again, the history of one rental at a time. We may be changing these font sizes, but again, there's a timeline on the side kind of telling you the story of one rental at a time. I think these fonts could be bigger, but we will talk to the team later today. Excuse me. So you can just scroll down. The timelines will change. What happened over the journey, and again, some pictures, just some stuff I took from the family photo album so you get to know us. There's my mother-in-law there on a trip to Taiwan for her birthday. There's Teresa and her boyfriend Jake, again, just friends. There's my good puppy Jimbo on a trip to Beverly Hills back in the day. Again, there's Sunny and Happy. But again, just goes through the story, lets you know more about us as a one rental at a time community. So, the timeline is there for anybody who wants to know the journey. We will have book recommendations. Again, obviously, I would recommend my own books. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. These are books that are important. Millionaire Real Estate Investors, that Gary Keller book that I chewed on for 5 years, only the back 20 pages. The one thing also is great from Gary Keller. Gary V, I'm a fan. Can't Hurt Me was important. Extreme Ownership. And there's a book called How to Get Rich that when you look at the cover, it kind of turned me off. But I looked at it for so long, bought it. I actually liked that book. That was a really good book. So if you haven't bought that one, check it out. Then there's some software, PropStream, Hemlane, obviously. I think there's some games that you can play. I thought I would add some toys, dog chew toys that my dogs like, treats. Again, just trying to let you know more about me. And then, yes, I do own a bunch of silver. And if you see behind me some art, some of the art, that's Ramiro Brito, and some pictures I have are Fonch Ladon. If people ever wonder where all these colorful things that I have in my world, it's those artists. Again, letting you know more about me. We obviously do have some courses. We got to update the thumbnails. My team's been actively working on it. But again, you can get them here. No more. We have, these legends of real estate, the top 3 real estate agents, lots of courses there for you. This is one that's getting a big update. We had this ORAT mastermind. These are actually going to turn into pictures of the mastermind speakers like Beth and Omar, Dion, Mike, all those guys. So again, mastermind is something that I don't think enough people have taken a look at. There's me right in Fresno, giving away shirts. That was a huge money-losing experience. But again, it was important for me to document the first one. We do have the deep dive video there as well. Again, Lots of things at your disposal. We do have the ORAT store. I don't know if you've got any of your ORAT swag, but there's a lot there. I don't know if you guys have seen these. I haven't talked about them, but you can get your Lumberjack Landlord, your Dion or Anna Kelly little pins. I think those are fun. Tree of Fear or Forest of Opportunity. There's, of course, my swing and a miss when I miss something. How about your Don't Buy Dumb Stuff? It's actually a different word than stuff. Of course, there's Team Sunny and Team Happy, different colors available. I do like the Do the Work stickers, which I think are down here. I don't know if you guys know this, but you can buy autographed copies of my book. I do have some copies on my bookshelf. If you buy them, I will autograph. They're both hard copies, by the way. They're not soft, so you get hard copies. I think more people need to Do the Work stickers. And, of course, the ORAT rules. I actually have this poster hanging in my office, something I look at every day. I think I need to go back here. Hopefully you're still seeing this. Meet the Millionaires. This is the important one. All the millionaires are going up here where you can read their bios. I think it's important to acknowledge that one rental at a time is just not me. There's a lot more stuff coming. Anna, Lumberjack, Millennial Mike, Dan, Jason, Lance, Brian, Omar, Ty, Adrian, Steve. We need you to step up, man. We need you to add your stuff. And I need to get Sean Cannell here as well to add some stuff. So again, one rental at a time is just not me. It is also these other amazing individuals. The buy box, you can look for that here. I need to fill this out, but again, you can get the deep dive there. And then finally, we are doing a free download of the 52-year spreadsheet. It doesn't quite work yet. This is something they're working on. But yeah, that is what is happening in my world. Again, stories and the like. So that's what I'm doing. It's something I've been working on. Really, what the website is meant to be is a couple of things. One, really highlighting the millionaires. I think they're an important part of the channel. I want to give them the time to celebrate. I do need to do a better job of marketing the value that we create with the courses, the swag, right? The one rental at a time swag. I'm actually staring at colorful shirts right above me. We have the ORAT rules right there. So again, something I've been working on behind the scenes. It's not public yet. That was a private link. So if you go to onerentalatatime.com, you will not see it. But hopefully it's up and available in the next couple of days. All right, everybody, take care. Thanks.